Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show you how to replace the front discs and, at the same time, very importantly, how to reset the front brake service without having to take the car to the service center and incur the costs of the service. With a little effort it can be saved. Let's go to work. This is the simplest way to return the brake cylinder to the first position in garage conditions.
Sophie, look at you.
As we did on the first side, let's repeat the same on the second side. You must have a new tile wear sensor to be able to reset the tile service at the end. The hardest part of the job is done. Let's put the tires back in their place, and then the easy part of the job is going to reset the service. Press this button and hold it until the services appear on the car. To press this button again and hold it until the services appear, then you go with the up or down arrow to select the desired service. In this example, it is the front brake service. When you select the service, press the button on the side and hold it for 5 seconds to reset the service. At the end, check if everything was done correctly. And that in addition to the service of the front brakes, you also have to reset this service, because the service is automatically activated due to the front brakes. I hope the video is useful. For more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.